Website monitoring prevents loss of web customers and helps increase website return on investment. In order to understand the root of website problems, businesses need to compare outside firewall monitoring results with the findings from monitoring agents located inside the firewall. Let's look at an example. You've received an alert from an external monitor that your website is slow or down. Your server response time is low or hasn't responded for some reason. Unless you have a chance to look at the problem from a different angle, you may not be able to find out its real cause. It may be that one of the key processes on your server has consumed your machine memory, causing site downtime. While external website monitoring examines websites' performance from an outside customer perspective, internal monitoring checks the website parameters from inside the organization's firewall. We will use Montes.com to demonstrate how this works. Montes.com provides one-stop website performance monitoring to ensure excellent customer satisfaction and a high return on investment. How does internal monitoring contribute to a better customer experience? Internal monitoring checks websites, servers, and network services that are not accessible outside of an organization's firewall. This technique extends the website's monitoring reach and provides a deeper perspective into key system performance indicators. It helps to find bottlenecks, diagnose problems, reduce cost, and increase efficiency of IT operations, all of which ultimately affect your customer's web experience. What does internal monitoring provide my website? Insight into server slowness and downtime, awareness of IT resources capability to handle the site's processes or if there are any load issues, diagnosis of problems at the loose points before they cause critical outages. Internal monitoring watches over your website. This service tests and checks your devices and applications to provide you with information to watch and control your web operations for exclusive customer satisfaction. By process monitoring, you can find out your server CPU and website response time correlations. In addition, you will receive alerts from an external monitor that your website is slow or down. For example, unless you have had a chance to examine the problem, you may not be able to find out that one of the key processes on your server is causing downtime. Montes Internal Monitoring examines your internal web operations 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The service also allows you to check your servers and devices for resource utilization. Monitoring key processes on your servers will allow you to determine CPU and memory consumption by each process. This monitoring reveals obvious troubles long before the processor or memory is permanently damaged. Process monitoring is important as some processes can consume too much memory and cause inefficient operation of your web servers and databases, ultimately affecting your customer's experience. By activating HTTP and ping tests, you can monitor critical applications from your client location to ensure mutual connectivity for better business and customer satisfaction. If you are concerned about your target market experience with your website, you can install multiple agents on different servers and geographic locations and monitor the same resources from all those locations in order to provide customer satisfaction. You can also monitor intranet applications such as CRM, Customer Relationship Management, and document management systems for uptime and performance to ensure system health and flawless operation of your IT infrastructure. Montes Internal Agent supports different platforms: Windows, Linux, and Sun. Internal website monitoring is activated using smart agents, which are easily deployed on any internal or external computer that stores critical data and applications. A staffed IT professional can be designated to react to Montes updates, but by using Montes web interface, anyone can watch and control your website monitoring picture. Congratulations! You are now able to extend your website monitoring dashboard to provide a deeper look into your website and IT operations. Using Montes Dashboard, you can conveniently manage your internal and external monitoring through a single interface. Multiple reports and charts on one screen make it easy to compare and understand the real cause of the lost connection or performance problems, and ultimately help you increase customer satisfaction.